A well-designed walk-in pantry solves bulk storage and meal prep chaos for a large family by turning a cluttered space into a streamlined work hub. Start by prioritizing adjustable shelving that can change height to fit cereal boxes, bulk rice sacks, and tall cereal dispensers, so the space adapts as needs change. Add deep pull-out bins at lower levels for bulk items like cases of canned goods and 5-pound bags of flour, so lifting is easier and items do not get lost at the back. Include a countertop zone with a small appliance charging station that supplies outlets and cable management for mixers, blenders, and instant pots to keep the main kitchen counters clear. Use clear labeled containers for dry goods with consistent shapes to save space and make inventory simple. Label with content and date so rotation is fast and you can see when to restock. Consider incorporating a refrigeration or freezer drawer to store surplus dairy, prepared meals, and bulk meats so you minimize trips to the main fridge and avoid fridge overflow. Finish with task lighting and a non-slip step stool on a slide-out track so everyone can reach high shelves safely and the pantry is usable at any hour. A common mistake is overestimating how much open shelving one family can maintain, so items become messy and hard to find. The fix is to start with more enclosed or pull-out storage and use clear containers with uniform profiles to enforce order. Another issue is poor electrical planning, which leaves appliances stranded with tangled cords. Remedy that by dedicating a countertop charging station with multiple grounded outlets and labeling each appliance cord to its shelf or drawer. A third challenge is failing to plan for bulk cold storage, which results in food cluttering the main refrigerator. Solve this by adding a refrigerated drawer or under-counter mini freezer in the pantry and assigning specific shelves for perishable prepared meals. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who can design and build these customized walk-in pantry solutions and to help contractors find repeat work on family-focused projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share real project photos, layout tips, and first-hand vendor experiences to help plan your ideal pantry.